Hello and Kardom, this is Lisha Derapi, the news anchor for NE Karbi Life, the mirror of society. So dear viewers, as we all know that the HSLC results have just been declared. And today we are here to visit the most remarkable student who scored 91.17% among all the Karbi community. So let's talk to him and ask about his success stories. So can you please tell us your name?
My name is Detchari Timung.
Okay, so Detchari Timung, after all your hard work you put in, how do you feel about your result?
I'm truly delighted on seeing my result. At the morning of the result day, I was quite scared regarding the result, but in the end, it turns out fine, and I'm pretty happy about it. And with my results, everyone, my relatives and my parents, everyone seems quite happy about it. So seeing them happy makes me truly happy too.
Okay, so whom would you like to thank for your success?
Uh, the first comes my parents, who have been devoted all their lives towards our studies, including my siblings and me.
Okay, so
And after that, I would also like to thank my institutions for giving me such a quality education and for all the hard works they have given.
okay, so did you find any difficulties during your studies?
During studies, every student comes through a lot of struggles, and during those struggles, our parents are the one who keeps motivating us. And regarding the doubts which are related to the studies, it's the teachers who have always come to our help, and they have solved all the doubts.
Okay, so and what subject did you find the most difficult?
Yeah, about the subjects, the most difficult one I find is Hindi,
Yeah.
and it is the only subject I failed to get a letter mark in
Okay. Then how did you manage it?
I managed it with the other subjects. I got 90 plus in all the subjects, but I failed to achieve a letter marks in Hindi.
Okay, so can you please tell the people who are watching that how many subjects did you cross 90 plus?
I crossed 90 plus in every subject except Hindi, which was my ML subject. What I would like to tell them is, the first thing is metric is just a first step towards our life. So it does not hold much importance, but it also acts as the first impression through which we are going to face in the later parts of our lives. So metric has some values, but we should not think that it is the final part of our life, and it is not the one and only thing that we should be going for.
So last but not the least, do you want to say anything to your class teacher or your subject teacher, especially to your class teacher who motivate you during your journey?
To all the teachers of my institution, I would like to give them big thanks for giving me such a quality education and for clearing all the doubts for me.
Okay. So thank you so much, Detchari Timung, for sharing your experience with us. Once again, we, the NE Karbi Life team, wish you a very all the best for your future.